For this question, we need to first ask the user for username and password. So we need to do that. So create a variable called username and password and just use an input command to ask the question. Then it says check if both username and password are correct. Now we have to assume that the correct username is David and the correct password is ABC. And it also asks us to calculate the number of attempts that they've had until they got it right. So firstly, because we've just asked for the username and password, we need to set attempts to 1 because they've just had one attempt. Then once we've done that, we need to create a while loop that keeps repeating until they get it right. So what we put while the username is not equal to David. So if the username is not equal to David or the password is not equal to ABC, so if they get any of them wrong, if they didn't put David as the username and if they didn't put ABC as the password, then we need to repeat the questions. So what we do is first we need to display using a print command incorrect username or password. Then we need to ask for username and then we ask for password. Once we've done that, we're done with the while loop. But we have to add attempts plus 1 before we finish it off. So we add 1 to attempts because we're calculating the number of attempts. So we add 1 to attempts and now we're done with the while loop. So we go to the outside of the while loop and then we print how many attempts it took. So it took and then attempts. So you can put it in a full sentence or you can just put print attempts. But this will, it's nicer to do it in a full sentence. So this will display the number of attempts it took until the user got it right.